How to fix Instagram post not uploading. In this video guys, we will talk about how to solve and fix this problem on your Instagram, so just watch this video till the end. Let's start. So now go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps or application. Here search for Instagram. When you found it, open it like this, then go to storage option and then go to the last button, clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And what's next is to go into Play Store and update your Instagram, and then you have to restart your phone. After this, go and open Instagram and you will see that your problem is solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.